This video will show you how to use your Duo mobile app when your phone has no internet or data by generating a passcode in the app to authenticate your sign-in. After signing into UVic with your Netlink credentials, you'll be directed to this MFA login page. If your phone doesn't have data or internet service, the Send Me a Push button will not be able to send a notification to it. Instead, select the Enter a Passcode option. On your phone, open the Duo mobile app. Under your UVic account, you should see the option for a passcode. Click on the Show button next to it. Now, enter this passcode on your computer in the space provided and press Login. And this is how you can still use the Duo mobile app on your phone even if it does not have the internet connectivity required to send a Duo push.